Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube game! Now
Hi guys, I'm with my friend.
now I am manage my ultimate house. I have a greenhouse and an aquarium, but in a farm and a new piggy bank. You can see that. See a piggy bank. But
So, hi,
guys,
I'm with my friend. By the way,
oh yeah.
my cousin.
Oh yeah, how is my cousin to hi?
And we're gonna melt chocolate and freeze it for the freezer, and we're gonna eat it.
We need this ball and we need this chocolate.
We have
Pagputas, tuhugin mo lang po. Pagputas na po, ilagyan mo pong tape, pati putasin mo po yung mukha. Putasin mo po itong hawap. Pati, pagputas na po yung hawap, kentuin nyo na guys. Kentuin na. Kentuin, talikod nyo po para ko.
So, nandito kami. I-smash ko na. Tapos, yung sis ko.
Naklalagay po yung sis niya po, naklalagay mo po ng hot water. Yap guys. I'm not really lying. And that is real. So guys, and we need some hot water and cool this down on the web. But we need this molding. Wait, guys. Just look at this. Yeah. Wait, guys. I'm getting my pieces. You need this. You need
Mamis,
this.
nagbaboil na. Yung pangalan,
Oh,
yung tawag ko sa kanya ay Mamis.
you guys need this mold. You guys need this mold and this chocolate. Put it over
Say hi
here.
to the boys.
All of that. Oh, and say hi. Look, we're making chocolate. And this is my pinsan. Hamish kiss a baby.
Kasin, sa ano?
Hamish kiss always playing